See this piece of glass? See that imperfection there? That's when it fell out from before. It's like it hasn't cracked all the way, it just kind of took a sliver out of there. And if you think that's okay for you, you could reuse it. Or another thing that you could do, instead of replacing your one at eye level, let's say, you could take a piece of glass, measure the bottom, and see if the bottom piece is the same length as this and should be close enough. And then you could put the damaged piece down there, or you can look around and see there's a window right there, and those are the same type of Jalousie windows. See? And you could take the bottom piece out on that end. Let's say put that little crack way over there so it's inconspicuous. Okay, you don't have to have this out where people can see it. All right, there's a tip for you.
That's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.